back to the first video of 2026. And to kick off this year, we have Monument Grills new Mesa II. Let's take a look. So one of the newest things they have is the broil zone, which we're going to give that a try next. And to celebrate their new release of the Mesa II, we're going to do it beginner style. Carne Asada, chicken wings, some chicken. Let's get this bad boy fired up. Alright guys, first thing I like to do when I have a new grill. Now, first of all, let's look at this broil zone. That's their new, what they added on the Mesa IIs. So what I like to do is, on a brand new one, I get a little bit of oil on a potato. Just go through it the whole group.
Oh, did you see this?
Mm-hmm. All right guys, so there you have it. This is the new Mesa II for Monument Grills. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to go check it out and get one yourself. Now, Monument Grill has always done quality grills. I stand by them on their quality of grill and how easy it is to set up. It only took me about 20 minutes total tops to get it ready. So this is it for this video. I'm gonna leave you guys with a little ASMR on this nice, delicious cook that we're doing today. Are you guys ready for 2026? Because we're about to pump it out. See you guys next time.